Nika, what are you making?
Meatballs.
Meatloaf?
Meatloaf.
What's all in there?
Onions and barbecue and
Hamburger.
burger
And eggs?
and eggs
And pork rinds?
and pork rinds
And onion salt?
and onion salt,
And garlic salt?
garlic salt,
And ranch?
and mince.
Did you say barbecue sauce? Yeah, you did. Are you having fun making meatloaf?
It's not all cold.
It's all cold. Do you want to put some in the pan?
Yeah.
Okay, start putting some in the pan.
Here, let's turn it around this way so the handle's on that. Like that.
Nope, just grab a handful and put it in the pan.
Hold up to about right there, okay?
Oh, some got on my glove. Oh.
Nika, can we scoot you over here a little bit so I can get the other pan out of here? I got you. There you go. Here, we can scoot this over a little bit so you can still reach it.